lovelies! I'm going to show you how to do this boho hairstyle on long hair. This hairstyle is for those that like their hair down but doesn't want it in their face. And it's a great alternative to a half-up hairstyle with this easy side twist. It's so much easier than a braid. This is what my hair looks like before styling it. I had clip-in Luxie hair extensions, but it looks kinda blah. It gets boring when I wear it the same way all the time. So I'll show you how to unbore your hair. With your hair already parted on the side you want to wear it on, use a 1.5 inch iron to curl small sections of hair away from your face. Notice I'm curling from the mid shaft to the ends, and I keep the ends in the iron only for a couple of seconds. Also, the tail of the piece I'm curling is not buried under the rest of the hair. That is what gives your hair that long romantic look. That's a great tip for those that complain about their hair looking shorter when they curl it, so just keep those ends out. When you get to the other side, again you're going to curl away from the face and from mid-shaft to ends. Don't worry about it not looking very curly because it's going to be that very tousled look, and make sure to keep it away from your face. Use regular hold hairspray to keep your hair from going limp and flat by taking 1-inch rows and spraying right at the root. Make sure to spray the side that you're going to have your twists on. Now I'm only doing 2 rows of twists, but feel free to do more, especially if you have more hair. Clip away the rows you're not going to be working on and start near your face and twist. With each twist motion, I'm picking up more hair. I'm going to take a bobby pin, poke it in, and slide that bobby pin towards the face to hold my twist in place. I'm going to do the same thing with that second piece, twisting back, and as I twist, I'm going to pick up a little bit more hair. I'm going to use my bobby pin, poke it in through where it ends, and slide that towards the front of the face. And there you have it. Toss your hair around, run your fingers through it, and you're all done. This is a great hairstyle for casual Valentine's Day with jeans and a t-shirt. Please like, subscribe for more videos, and comment below to tell me what you want to see next. Love you! Bye!